Marc Anthony holds the Guinness World Record as the best-selling tropical salsa artist, and his extensive accolades, including multiple Latin Grammys and Billboard Latin Music Awards, cement his legacy as the undisputed king of salsa. With a total of 6 Latin Grammy Awards and 2 Grammys, his influence and status as one of the most iconic Latin artists in history are undeniable. Anthony has delivered numerous chart-topping hits across both the Billboard Hot Latin Songs and the Billboard Hot 100, most notably with his anthem Vivir mi vida, which reigned atop the charts for an impressive 18 weeks. In 2016, he received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, recognizing his profound contributions not only to Latin music, but also to the global entertainment industry. Bulova and the legendary singer, songwriter, and actor joined forces in September 2022 to celebrate their mutual passion for watches, music, and innovation, capturing their shared artistic spirit. The Bulova and Marc Anthony collection features timepieces and jewelry, with Anthony personally involved in the design process. Each piece is named after one of his most iconic songs, blending his artistic vision with Bulova's heritage of craftsmanship. Additionally, Bulova is also supporting the Maestro Cares Foundation, Marc Anthony's charitable organization dedicated to improving the lives of disadvantaged children and communities across Latin America and the US. This collaboration highlights the essence of boldness embodied by those who follow their passion in the ever-evolving world of music. Bulova's partnership with Marc Anthony expands its growing portfolio of music collaborations, which includes partnerships with the Grammys, Latin Grammys, Frank Sinatra Enterprise, and the Apollo Theater. The Bulova and Marc Anthony collection showcases bold, artistically crafted watches that seamlessly blend luxury craftsmanship with Marc Anthony's distinctive musical and cultural flair. Utilizing premium materials such as stainless steel and leather, these timepieces incorporate innovative, fashion-forward design elements, making them true statement pieces that reflect both timeless elegance and modern style. The 4-year collaboration between Bulova and Marc Anthony introduces special and limited edition timepieces that embody the brand's bold at heart philosophy, encouraging individuals to chase their passions. Each watch in the collection carries Marc Anthony's distinct personal influence, with thoughtful design elements like the numbers 1, 3, and 5, which are especially meaningful to him, featured prominently on the dials. Additionally, the casebacks are engraved with the titles of his iconic songs or inspirational quotes that have shaped his journey. The collection reflects a harmonious blend of Bulova's rich watchmaking legacy with Anthony's unique artistic vision, seamlessly integrating meaningful colors, numbers, and motifs from his personal life. This collaboration captures a perfect fusion of tradition and modern innovation, resulting in a series of timepieces that resonate with passion and creativity. The collaboration between Bulova and Marc Anthony unites two icons from distinct realms, luxury watchmaking and Latin music, into a seamless partnership, blending their shared passion for craftsmanship and creativity. If you're a fan of the Rey de la Salsa, this collection is a must-see.